So you think Italians have the best pasta recipes? Wait till you try my Tía Gloria's Mexican green spaghetti. It's delicious and takes less than 15 minutes to make. Stay tuned, you're going to love this recipe. Hola amigos, welcome back to Tex-Mex at Home. Today we're making Mexican Espagueti Verde. This quick recipe takes me back to Tía Gloria's kitchen during my visits to Saltillo, Mexico. Saludos a todos por allá. For more delicious recipes, visit our website at texmexathome.com. Now let's get started. This recipe makes enough for 4 to 5 servings. The ingredients for today are 6 quarts of water, 1 pound of spaghetti, half a teaspoon of salt or to taste, 1 fresh poblano pepper, 14 to 16 ounces of Mexican cream, 8 ounces of Manchego cheese. First, let's make the pasta. Bring your water to a full boil, add your salt, give it a quick mix, and then add the spaghetti. We cook this for 12 minutes. That's the perfect al dente for this recipe. While the spaghetti cooks, let's make our creamy poblano sauce. For the sauce, we're using a fresh poblano pepper, not roasted. Add a deseeded poblano to your blender, cut into large pieces, along with Mexican cream and cheese. Blend until it's completely smooth and no pieces remain. Set it aside for now, and let's check on our spaghetti. Our spaghetti is ready. Turn off the stove, drain the water, and set the pot back down. Now pour the creamy poblano sauce over the hot pasta and toss it until everything is coated. And that's it, Mexican green spaghetti. Today, I'm serving it with beef milanesa. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want more Tex-Mex at Home recipes, hit like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you never miss a new one. Now let's give it a try. It's creamy, super easy, and full of flavor. I'll see you in the next one. Hasta luego!